Good morning. I am Josephine, Assistant Professor of Physics, Nalasimara Engineering College. Now I am going to discuss about the carrier concentration for intrinsic semiconductors. So in previous classes, already we discussed about intrinsic semiconductors. So in intrinsic semiconductors, the charge carriers are the electrons in the conduction band and holes in the valence band. Let us take N be the number of electrons in the conduction band and P is the number of holes in the valence band. Now in intrinsic semiconductors, the number of electrons and number of holes both are equal. Now we are going to calculate the number of electrons in the conduction band, let it be N, and the number of holes in the valence band, let it be P. So now I am going to calculate the number of electrons in the conduction band. It is also known as density of electrons in the conduction band. Let Dn be the number of electrons between the energy levels E and E plus D. Let Dn be the number of electrons between the energy levels E and E plus D. Now the expression for Dn is Z of E into F of E D. Let us take equation number 1. Here Z of E dE is density of states and F of E is the probability of finding an electron. Now I will write the expression for density of states. Z of E dE is equal to 4 pi by h cube 2m whole power 3 by 2 e power half d. This is the expression for density of states. Now here the electron is bound in a periodic, it is moving in a periodic production. So the mass of electron is replaced with its effective mass. So m is replaced by me star. The expression for density of state is written as 4 pi by h cube 2 me star whole power 3 by 2 into e power half d. Now the electrons are present in the conduction band. We will see the conduction band and valence band energy level diagram. Now let E suffix C is the energy corresponding to the conduction band, and I am assuming the energy corresponding to the top of the conduction band is infinity. So here to calculate the total number of electrons in the conduction band, we have to integrate equation 1. So N is equal to integral Z of E into F of E d. Here the limits are from E suffix C to infinity. Now this E is replaced by E minus EC because here the energy corresponding to bottom of the conduction band is EC. So this E in this equation is replaced with E minus EC. So Z of E dE equal to 4 pi by h cube into 2 me star whole power 3 by 2 e minus cc whole power half d. Now I am going to substitute this in equation 2. So the expression for density of states N is equal to integral E suffix C to infinity 4 pi by h cube 2 me star whole power 3 by 2 e minus cc whole power half de into f of e. Here f of e is the probability of finding an electron, and the expression for f of e is equal to 1 by 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by K. So for E minus EF, if E minus EF is greater than Pt, then this probability of finding an electron becomes 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by Kt whole power minus 1. This becomes exponential of minus of E minus EF by Kt. This is nothing but exponential of EF minus E divided by K. Now we are going to substitute this value of f of E in equation 3. So the expression for number of electrons n is equal to integral E sub c to infinity 4 pi by h cube to me star 4 power 3 by 2 e minus cc 4 power half into f of e. F of e is exponential of ef minus e by k. Now take the constant terms out of the integral. So 4 pi by h cube 2 me star 4 power 3 by 2 into exponential of ef by kt into integral of e sub c to infinity e minus ec whole power half e power minus e divided by kt into d. Now we have to simplify this integral. So to simplify this integral, let us assume e minus ec is equal to x. From this, e is equal to ec plus x and de is equal to dx. Similarly, I am going to change the limits. If I substitute in place of e is equal to ec, then x becomes 0. When if e is equal to ec. If e is equal to infinity, x is infinity. Now I am simplifying the integral part. So integral, the lower limit becomes 0, upper limit infinity. E minus ec means x. So x power half into exponential of, here e means ec plus x by k. Now in this, again I am taking this constant term out of the integral. So exponential of minus ec by kt integral 0 to infinity x power half e power minus x by kt dx. Now this integral, using gamma function, I am writing the solution for that integral. So integral 0 to infinity x power half e power minus x by kt dx value is kt power 3 by 2 into root pi by 2. This we can write using gamma functions. Now I am going to substitute this value in this equation. So I will get the expression for number of electrons, energy states is n is equal to 4 pi by h cube into 2 me star whole power 3 by 2 exponential of, here ef is there and here we got exponential of minus ec. So I am writing these two together. So exponential of ef minus ec divided by kt into that integral value we got kt power 3 by 2 into pi power half divided by 2. Now if we simplify this, we get the final expression for the number of electrons is 2 into 2 pi me star kt by h square whole power 3 by 2 into exponential of e minus ef by k. So this is the final expression we got for the density of electrons or the number of energy states per unit volume. So the final expression I am writing for the density of electrons is n is equal to 2 into 2 pi me star kt by h square whole power 3 by 2 into exponential of e minus ef divided by kt. So this is the expression for density of electrons in the conduction band.